Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, spring has sprung. We've got some lovely tulips. We don't tend to buy a lot of cut flowers because we always think it's a bit of a waste, but I couldn't resist to those. Tulips make me very happy because they're so bright and colourful. So I've got some in here. We have some colourful ones here with some daffodils. I'm not a green thumb, but I don't know how you call these flowers here. But yeah, no, I'm very, very, very happy. And they make me a really happy mood. Who doesn't like flowers? Especially when it's not too bad actually, because it's very windy today, but it's quite mild. You can tell the days are getting longer, so spring is coming. Right, today, hello everybody, ciao beautiful people, I've not said that. Friday freebie, a little treat today to, it's a lovely printable that will go very well with the Opulent Ephemera, which is a kit I have done a project on Wednesday. And the amount of feedback and comments on that video have been outstanding. Heart shape. Now, I can only do half shape of my heart because my other hand is holding the camera. So I can only do, let's pretend you do your half shape heart on your side. So we put it together. Put your other hand on the screen and together we form a half shape. So let's do it together. You've done it? Fabulous. Keep watching the tutorial. No, it's not a tutorial. Keep watching the video if I can bring my words together. And I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to my desk. Ta-da! So before I show you the freebie, which is super cool, I'll show you the kit that you will be complimented with. And I did on Wednesday. I showcased this video when we did this hidden paper clips. So if I turn it around, you can probably see better. So they are hidden paper clips. So you could probably see it there. So it's something that you slide in your page. You can, use them as a decoration, or you can use them as bookmarks. Now, those ones specifically, I never done it before. So, sorry, I can't see because I've got a camera in front of me and I don't want to get my head on camera. I never done the napkin folding technique before. I know you can make you can make boxes. So I will revisit this in the next few weeks because I quite enjoy making them. I know it looks complicated, but it's actually really, really easy. So I will list the video down below. So you guys, in case you missed it, you got another look. Let me show you the kit. So this is part of my mini kit. So it's 4 pages. I got an entire collection of minis. That's how they're called on my website. So it's a small kit of 4 pages for the silly price of £1.50. So very, 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 very cheap, super affordable. And this is most of my kits, as you guys know, are super cheap because I want everybody to enjoy them and I'm not here to rob anybody off. So I charge what I think they're worth. Of course, the digital files, so I take the risk, but I trust everybody's genuine. But I just want to highlight the fact that all my kits are copyright protected. I work with a company that sign off all the kits that I do. And then if there's anybody trying to claim, to claim for theirs, they will deal with them. So very, very easy. Quite pricey, but for my own peace of mind. Anyway, this is the 4 pages, part of my Opulent Ephemera kit. So it's 4 pages. I have printed back and front and back. So you see 2 pages, but they're actually 4. Okay, because the second page is on the back. I've done that because I want to make some projects when I needed it front and back. But you can print it 1 page. It depends on the set of your printer. Have a look at your settings if you want to print them front and back. But it's all about, it's the name suggested, a lot of ephemera put all together with a lot of flowers, with a lot of painting. There is a lot of green and yellows and gold, very opulent. It's the name suggested. So this is probably my favorite page, as I said on that video. Now, before I show you the video, I just want to say a massive thank you. And today's shout out goes to the lovely Marisol from Arizona. she's lovely lady, and she just said a big thank you for what I do, and I'm just saying, well, thank you back, every single one of you, for all your lovely comments, and I want to shout out today to her. Now, before I show you the freebie, I want to showcase a little tip and tricks, if you want to call it. Took me forever. Joking, it didn't take very long, but I'm glad I got there at the end. It's not updated because I have bought a few more stamps since I've done this, so I need to scan them. So basically, guys, I've done an archive. See better now. Done an archive of, this is just a binder of A4. So I scanned every single stamps that I own. So when I make a project, I know exactly, if I know that I need something, or sometime I look at this first and create project with the stamps, because I don't know about you guys. I'm just gonna show you page by page as I chat, because I don't know about you guys, but sometime, especially when you tidy up, you find things that you didn't even know you have. Naughty us. And this little archive makes me love that, makes me want to actually use everything and hopefully stop buying more stuff. But we are crafters, so it's never going to happen. But you know, the will is there. It's just, well, we'll see. But no, honestly, it really helps me to understand what I've got. And you know, for instance, this die here I probably used once. So it makes me want to go back now as we speak and grab it, but no, that's a separate video. It just, honestly, just, and it is all from different companies. That's from Stampin' Up, that's from a craft magazine, that's from Alta New. So they're all different. That's Halloween, so I put all the Halloween together. It just really helps me to use stuff more often. I got a matching stamp from this. Is called Splendid Thoughts from Stampin' Up. I wanted it forever and now I got it. Yeah, so there's a lot of dice and stamps. Yeah, and I think if you guys have time, I would suggest do the same. Scan everything, print them off, put it all together, so at least you know what you've got. And I've not used that for a very long time. Now this one, and I will put some dividers and do it properly. This is all my Stampin' Up stamps. So at least I know what I've got. I need to play with this. I love that. Yeah, so, and that gives us an idea on how much money we also spend on crafting. No, yeah, just a little tips I want to share with you guys. It took me quite a long time, I must admit. The hardest bit, it wasn't so much about scanning them, it's actually put it together as a file, because I have to every scan up, then put it into one page and put it all together. This is one of my favorite. And then that's the Christmas section, so I got all my Christmas bits together. I mean, I didn't even know I had so many Christmas trees. Dice, this from Stampin' Up. Yeah, it just makes you realize, guys, oh my god, how much crap we have. It's not crap, but you know the gist. So yeah, so as I said, this is work in progress. I will do some dividers and I need to update with the new stamps I've got. Right, today, after exactly 6 minutes and 54 seconds that I've not done or showed you anything, I'm happy to showcase the, oh my god, where did I put it? Here we go. Bear with me 1 second, because I've got a lot of things going on my desk. Ta-da! Friday freebie. Again, this is part of the kit. So there's 4 tags that you're simply going to fussy cut it. The hard work has been done for you. Love her. You can use them as they are. You can use them as based, and then you do your own decoration. Just simply punch a hole, put some ribbon if you want, or you create like a little book tags. You can do anything that you want with those. As usual, 3 ways to get it. This is going out as we speak into my newsletter. So automatically every Friday, 9 p.m. British time, you get a lovely email from me with this every freebie attached. And some crafty news. And sometimes there is even a cheeky discount code So honestly guys, it's really worth subscribe to my newsletter. Don't cost anything, and I'm not here to spam. I haven't got time to spam anybody. Second way, you go into my Facebook group, and I will put the link down below, when you find all my entire collection of freebies that I have showcased in the last 2 years. Third way, this will be on my website, so follow the link. It will be on the homepage. I keep them for about 4 or 5 days, then I remove them and put I think it's every Friday morning I put a new freebie up. So it's still completely up to you. Okay, just a reminder guys, you can download all the freebies actually in the last couple of years on my Facebook group, so I will put the link down in the video down below. If you like this video, please consider giving a big thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel doing well, and considering subscribing if you've not done it already. So this channel has all sorts of papercraft projects. You're not going to get bored. Got a lot of ideas, and let's craft together, and that is all it's all about. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.